Every year, millions of vehicles reach the end of their journey. But this isn't the end of the story. It's an essential cycle of recycling. Once the weight is logged, the VIN is scanned. This ensures every part is tracked through the recycling stream.
All right, lift it slowly. Watch the clearance on the right. Clear. Taking it up now.
The remaining vehicle body is prepared for shredding. Massive shredders reduce entire vehicle bodies into small metal fragments. Advanced technology separates steel, aluminum, copper, plastic, and other materials. Recovered metals are compressed, melted, and prepared for manufacturing. Recycled materials return to factories to become new products.
Recycling vehicles conserves natural resources, reduces mining, saves energy, and minimizes landfill waste.
Electric vehicles, battery recycling, AI-powered sorting systems, and robotics are shaping the next generation of automotive recycling. Every recycled vehicle helps conserve resources, reduce pollution, and support a sustainable circular economy.